How to create a monthly budget using Mint. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a monthly budget using Mint. So to do that, first of all, open the Mint app on your mobile device and then simply make sure you are logged into your Mint account. Now once you're logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where on the bottom side of the screen you can see 4 different options. Simply tap on the second one, which is monthly. After that, you can see the option May budget. So currently, since this is the May month, you'll have to create a budget for this month. So in order to create a budget, you'll have to first of all connect an account. So to connect an account, tap on the option right over here. After that, you will be provided with the list of all of the different accounts you can choose from. So if you want, you can choose your Apple Card, or if you don't, you can simply choose any one of these banks or some other apps such as Robinhood, Vanguard, etc. Now once you've chosen your app or your bank, simply log into that service by entering your user ID, your username and your password. And once you've connected an account, you will be able to create a budget using Mint. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.